Example number 4 on fund flow statement. So check out example number 4. Balance sheets are given to you. Two balance sheets are given, 2018, 2019. Liability side, equity share capital, preference share capital, general reserve, profit and loss account, bank loans, sundry creditors, outstanding expenses, proposed dividend and provision for tax. Asset side, land. This is the new item in this example. Fixed assets, closing stock, sundry debtors, cash and bank and prepaid expenses. This is also the new item. In earlier three examples, in current assets, only stock, debtors and cash was there. Now here prepaid expenses are also there. So in working capital statement, we will have to consider these prepaid expenses also. Now you can check out additional information. Number 1, during the year 2019, company has charged depreciation of rupees 1,90,000 on fixed assets. So amount of depreciation is directly given to us. Second, during the year 2019, a piece of land was sold at a profit of rupees 50,000. So we are having land as a one of the fixed asset. The piece of that land was sold during the year 2019. Now the amount of sale consideration is not known to us, but it is information given that it is sold at a profit of rupees 50,000. So only that much is known to us. So with the help of this, we will have to find out the sale consideration of the piece of land which is missing in this example. Then interim dividend paid of rupees 30,000 during 2019. Number 4, during the year 2019, company has made provision for tax by rupees 35,000. You can compare. In earlier example, amount of tax paid was given. Now here tax paid amount is not given, but the provision made during the year is given rupees 35,000. So it means in this example, amount of tax paid is missing, which we will have to find out by opening a separate account, provision for tax account. Now we have to move to our solution. This is our fund flow statement format. Then second statement showing changes in working capital. Then working note number 1, funds from operations. Working note number 2, fixed assets. I have already considered the opening and closing balances over here. Working note number 3, provision for tax. Here also opening and closing balance I have already recorded. Now here one more note will have to prepare, land account, because there is some separate information relating to land. Here also opening and closing balances I have already recorded. So now we will start solving the example with the statement showing change in working capital. So now first we have to take the current assets of 2018 as well as 2019. You can check out 2018 current assets in our balance sheet. In sheet 1 there is a balance sheet. You can check out closing stock 1,80,000, sundry debtors 1,20,000, cash and bank 1,50,000 and prepaid expenses 50,000. This will have to consider as a part of current asset. So closing stock 1,80,000, debtors 120, cash and bank balance 150 and 50. Now which will record on 2018 column 1,80,000, then 1,20,000, then 1,50,000 and 50,000. We will cross check it. 1,80,000, 1,20,000, 1,50,000 and 50,000. Yeah, 180, 120, 150 and 50. Okay. Now year 2, that is a 2019. Closing stock 3 lakhs, debtors 2,90,000, cash and bank 3,50,000 and prepaid expenses 80,000. So 3 lakhs Closing stock 3 lakhs. Then sundry debtors 2 lakhs 90,000. Cash and bank 3 lakhs 50,000. And prepaid expenses 80,000. So here we have got the total current assets of 2018 by rupees 5 lakhs, 2019 by rupees 10 lakhs 20,000. Now we have to move to the current liabilities. Again go back to example. Now here you can check out on liability side. There are actually 4 items which can come under the heading current liabilities and provisions. That is a sundry creditors, outstanding expenses, proposed dividend and provision for tax. But out of these 4, we have to give the separate treatment for dividend and tax in fund flow statement. So these 2 will not be the part of current liability. So only 2 items are there, that is sundry creditors and outstanding expenses. So for 2018, it is 2,20,000 sundry creditors and outstanding expenses 50,000, which we will record here. Sundry creditors 2,20,000 and outstanding expenses 50,000. In year 2, 2019, sundry creditors 2,80,000, outstanding expenses 70,000. So 2,80,000 and 70,000. Now here we have got total current liabilities. First year 2,70,000, second year 3,50,000. Now we have to find out net working capital, that is total current assets minus total current liabilities. So that is rupees 5 lakhs minus 2,70,000. So net working capital is equal to 2,30,000. 2019 total current asset 10,20,000 minus total current liabilities 3,50,000. So net working capital is 6,70,000. Now we have to find out the change. So first year working capital is 2,30,000, second year it is 6,70,000. So change is 4,40,000, which is increased, which has increased. So working capital has increased by rupees 4,40,000 during 2019. So increase in working capital, we will record it to our fund flow statement. This is our fund flow statement. We can check out where it is. Increase in working capital on application side. So immediately we will write down here 4,40,000 increase in working capital. Okay. Now we will go to our working note number 1. That is a funds from operations. So in funds from operations, we have to start with change in profit and loss account. Now go to our balance sheet, check out on liability side, profit and loss account. The first year is 3 lakhs and second year 2,80,000. So it means in this example, profit and loss account balance has reduced by rupees 20,000. In all earlier 3 examples, we have seen that profit and loss account balance was increased in each example. But here profit and loss account balance has decreased by rupees 20,000. So there is a change of rupees 20,000, but this 20,000 is minus amount. So we will take it minus 20,000. Purposely I have made marked it in reading so that you can immediately understand. So now this we have to take minus. If you take it positive, everything will become wrong. So we have to record it as a minus 20,000. Now after that we will follow our regular format. Whatever we are supposed to add, that we will add. Whatever we have to supposed to deduct, that we will deduct. Finally we will get correct answer. So that's why only change. Here we will put the minus sign in front of 20,000. Now add increase in reserves. Go to again balance sheet. Check out general reserve. First year 1,60,000. Second year 2 lakhs. So general reserve has increased by rupees 40,000. Difference between 2 lakhs and 1,60,000. So it has increased by rupees 40,000. So add increase in reserve 40,000. In general reserve also, suppose there it has the balance would have reduced, so that also we would have considered it as a minus amount. Next, what next is proposed dividend. Which proposed dividend? That is of second year. Go to the balance sheet. Proposed dividend, yes, it is there. We have to take the amount of second year, as we have already discussed. Second year amount will be added in funds from operations, and first year amount will be recorded on fund flow statement as a application of fund. So we'll do both the thing. First we will add second year proposed dividend into funds from operations. So funds from operation here, add a proposed dividend 50,000. Now first year proposed dividend is 40,000. This we will show as a payment, that is a dividend paid of last year in the year 2019. So it will appear on fund flow statement on application side. That is a final dividend paid by rupees 40,000. So dividends, check out. This is fund flow statement. Dividend paid last year final, that is by rupees 40,000. हम इसको इमीडिएटली लिख देते, तो इससे हम बाद में भूल न जाए कहीं, क्योंकि बाद में जब हमारा स्टेटमेंट टैली नहीं होता है तो वी हैव टू देन अगेन सर्च, वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट कहाँ पर गलती हुई, एंड दैट में कंज्यूम मोर टाइम. So that's why it is better, as and when we are getting the very different figures which are to be recorded on fund flow statement, immediately we will keep on writing. Next, you can check out minus 20,000 plus 40,000 plus 50,000. Next, what is next? Interim dividend. Is it there? We have to check out. Where we can find it out? We can find out in the example in additional information. Check out additional information. Interim dividend paid rupees 30,000 in the year 2019. So we have to add interim dividend here 30,000, but at the same time we have to show this 30,000 dividend paid during the year as a application of fund. You can check out fund flow statement, application of funds, dividend paid, that is a final dividend of last year. In addition to that, interim dividend, that is rupees 30,000. So here we have got the total. Again, come back to the funds from operations. Minus 20,000 plus 40,000 plus 50,000 plus 30,000, that comes to 1 lakh. Next, what next? Now we have to add provision for tax, means provision made during the year. Actually, we know that amount, that is, it is given during the year company has made provision for tax by rupees 35,000, but still it is better that first we will prepare the working note so that other missing amount also we can get. So this is working note number 3, provision for tax. I have already recorded opening balance and closing balance. This is a liability, so opening balance will appear on credit side, closing balance on debit side. So here you can check out in the example provision for tax. Opening, that is the first year 30,000, second year 40,000. So opening balance 30,000, closing balance 40,000. In addition to that, what we know, that during the year company has made the provision for tax by rupees 35,000. So in provision for tax account, where we record it, you can check out here, that is on credit side. As we pass the entry profit and loss account debit to provision for tax account, so it appears on profit and loss account. Already these things we have discussed in our introduction video. So by profit and loss account 35,000. What else we know about the tax? Nothing. Now on this basis we will close this account. Obviously credit side seems to be greater, so first we will take the total of credit side. That comes to 65,000, that is a 30,000 plus 35,000, so total is 65,000, which we will write on debit side. Now on debit side, is it tallied? No, there is a difference, because on debit side there is only one item, closing balance by rupees 40,000, and total should have to be 65,000, so there is a difference of rupees 25,000. What is the difference? Obviously, too bad. Means that is a amount of tax paid during the year 2019. This was the missing amount which we have got by preparing fund provision for tax account. Now out of this profit and loss account 35,000 will be added to funds from operations, and this payment of tax will go to the fund flow statement. So first we will give the effect of provision of this year 35,000 to funds from operations. So provision for tax for this year 35,000. Second effect of another effect in provision for tax account, that is a tax paid during the year 25,000. Obviously we will go to the fund flow statement. Payment of tax, whether it is source or application, obviously it is application. You can check out here this item, tax paid, working note number 3, amount 25,000. So this is over. Again we'll come back to our working note number 1, funds from operations. We have added back provision for tax. Now what we have to consider? Depreciation. Now here also that the amount of depreciation is directly given to us, but as it is additional information, so better way first we will prepare the working note fixed asset account, so that all the information, all the missing data about the fixed asset we can get immediately. So come to working note number 2, fixed asset account. In our solution, working note number 2, fixed asset account, opening balance 19 lakhs, closing balance 16 lakhs, which I have already recorded. You can cross check it with our balance sheet. You can check out here, balance sheet, fixed assets, opening 19 lakhs, closing 16 lakhs. So which I have already recorded. Now in addition to that, check out in additional information. Information number 1, during the year 2019, company has charged depreciation of rupees 1,90,000 on fixed asset. So amount of depreciation is directly given to us. So where the amount of depreciation will appear? Obviously on credit side, 1,90,000. Now here, what else we know from fixed asset account? What else we know? You can check out. 16 lakhs is a closing balance. Depreciation charge is 1,90,000. So we have to close this account. First we will take the total of debit side, that is rupees 19 lakhs, which will write on credit side 19 lakhs. Is it tallied? Definitely not, because on credit side only 2 items are there, that is 1,90,000 depreciation and closing balance 16 lakhs. So total of it comes to 17,90,000. It means there is difference. There is a difference. How much is the amount of difference? 19 lakhs minus, we find out the difference, that is 19 lakhs minus this 16 lakhs minus this 1,90,000. Difference comes to is 1,10,000. So this is what something is missing on credit side. Means what? That is a buyback, means sale of asset. So this is the amount of sale of fixed asset during the year. Opening balance was known, closing balance was known, then depreciation was given in additional information. With the help of these 3 information, we got the missing amount 1,10,000 as a asset, fixed asset sold during the year by rupees 1,10,000. Now out of these 2, these are the 3 figures which are marked in red ink, which requires in fund flow statement somewhere. But here to bank is a 0, so nothing is purchased on account of fixed asset this year. But there is a depreciation 1,90,000 which will be added back while preparing funds from operations, our first working note. funds from operation. So depreciation 1,90,000. Okay. Next, what is next? That is the amount of sale of asset. In this account, we have got the amount of sale of asset 1,10,000. Where it will go? Directly it will go to the fund flow statement, main fund flow statement. Sale of asset, whether source or application. So definitely it is source. You can check out on sources side. There is sale of fixed asset. 5 rupees 1,10,000. Sale of fixed asset is 1,10,000. So it means here fixed asset account is over, provision for tax account is also over. Come back to our working note, funds from operations. So after depreciation, what is there? Goodwill written off and preliminary expenses written off. Just check out in our balance sheet. On balance sheet asset side, is there any item called as a goodwill or preliminary expenses? No. There are the prepaid expenses, no preliminary expenses. So no, neither goodwill nor preliminary expenses. So that will be next. Loss on sale of asset. Is there any loss on sale of asset? Obviously fixed asset, no item is there. But still there is one information is pending, that is account, land account. So better way now we will prepare the land account also, so we can find out whether it is something is there on missing side. Come to the balance sheet, you can check out land opening balance 5 lakhs, closing balance 3,50,000, which I have already recorded. Land account opening balance 5 lakhs, closing balance 3,50,000. In addition to that, what we know about the land, here it is mentioned that second information, during the year 2019, a piece of land was sold at a profit of rupees 50,000. Now amount of sale is not known to us, but we know that one piece of land is sold and which is at the profit of rupees 50,000. So that we have to add into our this account. Now profit on sale of asset, where it will appear? That is on debit side. You can just check out in our introduction video, we have discussed the format of assets account. Where is that? In which you can find it out that profit on sale appears on the debit side. So we know that how much is the profit. How much it is? 50,000. We don't know the amount of sale consideration. Okay. So only this much information is available to us. Now we'll close this account. Obviously debit side seems to be greater. 5 lakhs plus 50,000. 5 lakhs 50,000. Which will write on credit side 5 lakhs 50,000. On credit side only there is a one item, that is a closing balance of land account 3,50,000, but total is 5,50,000. It means something is missing on credit side. What it can be? Either depreciation or back. But this is the land. This is the real asset. Real asset never have the depreciation, so it will never appear. What remain? Bank. That means sale amount of fixed land. And already it is mentioned in the additional information that company had sold part of a land. So this difference is on account of sale of land. How much it is? 2 lakhs. This is the balancing amount. It means amount of sale of land rupees 2 lakhs. Out of which 50,000 is a profit. It means the book value of this sale is 1,50,000. But anyways, what we require? We require again these two things. That is, this also will require profit on sale of asset. Obviously this profit on sale of asset का एंट्री क्या हुआ होगा? लैंड अकाउंट डेबिट. इसका सेकंड इफेक्ट कहाँ पर आ गया होगा? प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट क्रेडिट साइड. Entry must have been passed, land account debit to profit and loss account credit side. This means that our profit and loss account has been credited by rupees 50,000. And because of crediting fixed profit and loss account by 50,000, our profit has increased by rupees 50,000. But we have to show this full amount as a source of fund, 2 lakhs. and that's why then we will have to nullify this effect of profit on sale from our funds from operations. So these two treatment will be there. This will be considered in funds from operations, and this will go directly to fund flow statement on sources side, because this is sale of asset. So first we will write on fund flow statement sale of land by rupees 2 lakhs. Fund flow statement sale of land, source or application, obviously source, you can check out here. Sale of land, amount is rupees 2 lakhs. Now what remain? That is a profit on sale of land, this 50,000. इसका effect कहाँ जाएगा? That will have to consider while preparing funds from operations. As in funds from operation means in this amount has been credited to profit and loss because it is profit, but we have to nullify that effect. Means हमको क्या करना पड़ेगा? By crediting that amount, our profit has increased. If I want to remove that effect, so I will have to deduct my profit, and that's why you can find out here on list whatever items are to be deducted while preparing funds from operation. So there is less profit on sale of asset. So that is working note number 4. I will give you a reference. That amount is rupees 50,000. It means nothing is there on loss on sale of asset. There is no amount. Any other non-cash expenditure is also zero. So the total till like 25,000 minus profit on sale of asset 50,000 minus interest dividend received 0 minus other non-cash income 0. So funds from operation amount is rupees 2,50,000. That is our final amount, which we will write on funds flow statement on sources side 2,75,000. Okay, you can check out 2,75,000 funds from operations, working note number 1. Is it okay? Now we will take balance sheet in front of us and we will record the remaining items. Now the first one, balance sheet liability side. Equity share capital. First year 9 lakhs, second year 11 lakhs. It means equity share capital has increased by rupees 2 lakhs. It means during the year company has issued the additional equity shares of rupees 2 lakhs. So issue of shares in fund flow statement, source or application, it is source. You can check out issue of shares rupees 2 lakhs. Next, preference share capital. Preference share capital, first year 7 lakhs, second year 5 lakhs. It means preference capital has reduced by rupees 2 lakhs. Reduction in preference capital, it means redemption of preference shares by rupees 2 lakhs. And redemption of preference shares is what? Source or application? In fund flow statement it is an application, the redemption of preference shares by rupees 2 lakhs. So redemption of preference shares 2 lakhs. Again come back to the balance sheet. After preference share capital, general reserve and profit and loss account, which we have considered while preparing funds from operations. Now bank loans. First year 5 lakhs, second year 4,50,000. It means our bank loans have reduced by rupees 50,000. Why this is so? Obviously this is because of repayment of loan by rupees 50,000. So repayment of loan means application. So that is rupees 50,000 repayment of loan. Okay. Yeah. Now after bank loan, sundry creditors, outstanding expenses which we have considered while preparing change in working capital. Proposed dividend and provision for tax, we have considered two effects. One is in funds from operation, another effect in fund flow statement. We have already recorded it. You can check out dividend paid of last year, even tax paid 25,000, that also we have recorded. Then asset side, land. Already we have prepared the land account and from land account we have take the entry that is a sale of land by rupees 2 lakhs. Then fixed assets. Also we have opened a fixed asset account, and in fixed asset account we have got this one, sale of fixed asset 1,10,000. After that, closing stock, debtors, cash and bank and prepaid expenses, all these items comes in change in working capital statement, which we have already considered, so no separate consideration is required. Now check out additional information. First information is during the year company has charged depreciation, which we have considered. Then during the year 2019 piece of land was sold at a profit, that also we have considered. Then interim dividend paid rupees 30,000. Interim dividend of 30,000, that already we have recorded on fund flow statement on. You can check out interim dividend paid application side, rupees 30,000. And lastly, that during the year company has made the provision for tax by rupees 35,000, which we have considered in our working note number 3, provision for tax, where we have got the missing amount, payment of tax by 25,000, which also we have already considered. Working note number 3, tax paid 25,000. Everything is over. You can check out our fund flow statement is tallied by rupees 7,50,000. It means our solution is correct. I hope you will understand it. Please go through it. Solve this example once again at your end, and if any doubt, please let me know. Thank you very much.